Good day, everybody. I'm Joanna Castro. Today, I will demo the cupping therapy. Cupping therapy is the Asian Chinese therapy that based on the belief that certain health problems can be caused by stagnant blood and poor energy flow through your body. Benefits: move chi and blood, remove stasis, relieve pain, warm the body, detoxification. Sequence of cupping therapy: clean hands, washing, or you can use 70% isopropyl alcohol. Press the Chang chakra. Today, I will use the dry cupping method. Put the cup on the side of the spleen. First is the brain. Next is the heart. Next is the spleen and the gallbladder.
Sobrang higpit. Aray, masakit Sakit.
Next is the stomach.
Tamaan nyo na lang.
Next is the kidney. Large intestine.
Masakit
Cover the area and wait for 5 minutes. Then, remove the cups and interpret. The interpretation of the cupping of my client is healthy blood circulation. Then, massage the back to close the pores of the back. Thank you for watching my demo about cupping therapy.